So let the line x minus 2 divided by 3 is equal to y minus 1 upon minus 5 is equal to z plus 2 divided by 2 lies in the plane of x plus 3y minus alpha z plus beta equal to 0. Then alpha beta is equal to what here? So this is the plane here. Okay, equation of the plane is x plus 3y minus alpha z plus beta equal to 0. Then this is a normal to the plane whose direction ratios are 1 3 minus alpha. 1 3 minus alpha direction ratio of normal to this plane here. And this line lies on the plane here. Then obviously here 2 1 and minus 2, that pointer lies on the plane as well as lies on the line here. Means line passing to this point here, and a line lies on the plane means that point lies on plane also. Next here in this case this line and a normal both are perpendicular to each other. Therefore here direction ratios of line 3 minus 5 2s. Okay, therefore direction ratios of given line are so 3 minus 5 comma 2, and the direction ratio of normal to the plane or so here 1 3 minus alpha, so 1 3 minus alpha here. So since line lies on a given plane here, hence line is perpendicular to the normal to the plane. Both are perpendicular here. Yes, 3 into 1 here. Therefore 3 into 1 plus minus 5 into 3 minus 5 into 3 plus, so 2 into minus alpha, 2 into minus alpha is equal to 0. You are using the formula a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 is equal to 0. Here it is a1 b1 c1, this is a2 b2 c2. Use that formula. Then 3 ones are 3 here, 5 3s are 15, minus of 15, so minus of 2 alpha is equal to 0. 3 minus 15 is minus of 12 is equal to 2 alpha. Therefore alpha is equal to minus 6 here. Alpha is equal to minus 6. Next the plane passing to the point to 1 minus 2. Okay, and given plane passing through the point so 2 1 minus 2 here, so 2 1 minus 2, so use here, put x is equal to 2 here, therefore x value 2, then the y value is 1 here, so 3 into 1 plus 3 into 1, and alpha is 6 here, you already proved here, minus 6 here, and z is minus 2, so minus 2 plus beta is equal to 0. Yes, 2 plus 3, 6 2s are 12 here, plus 12 plus beta is equal to 0. 12 plus 3 15 plus 2 17, take 17 right hand side here, therefore beta is equal to minus of 17 years. Therefore alpha comma beta, so minus 6 minus of 17. Okay, minus 6 minus 17. Okay, actually there is a minus sign here. not the plus n. Here is a minus sign, so write here minus. Therefore, it is a minus of 12 here. So 2 plus 3, 5. So 5 minus 12 is 7 here, minus 7. Take minus 7 right hand side, it becomes plus 7. So therefore, minus 6 plus 7, B is the correct option here. Okay. So there is a minus sign here. Therefore, take care minus, not plus here. So the projection of the vector on the three coordinate axes are 6, minus 3, 2 respectively. The direction cosines of a vector are what here? 4 options are there. Suppose AB is the vector here passing through 2 points. Projection of a vector on coordinate axes are x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1 and z2 minus z1 here. And the direction cosines of a vector AB are x2 minus x1 upon modulus of AB, y2 minus y1 upon modulus of AB and z2 minus z1 divided by modulus of AB here. So x2 minus x1 is 6 here, y2 minus y1 is minus 3, z2 minus z1 equal to 2 here, and modulus of AB here. Modulus of the vector AB is equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square here. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus of y1 whole square plus then z2 minus of z1 whole square here. Therefore, this is equal to root of 6 square here plus minus of 3 square plus 2 square here, and 6 square is 36 here, then 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4. So root of 49 here, square root of 49 is 7 here. Therefore, direction cosines here. Direction cosines are 6 upon 7 here. 6 divided by 7 minus 3 upon 7 here. Minus 3 by 7 and 2 divided by 7. Then obviously third option is correct. 6 by 7 minus 3 by 7 2 divided by 7. The line passing through the two given parts are phi 1 alpha and 3b1. Take this one as beta f. Okay, 3 here is a, not alpha here, is a here. Phi 1a and 3b1 process yz plane at the part 0, 17 by 2 minus 13 by 2. Then which one is correct option here? Therefore, here line passing through the given parts. So 5, 1 a and 3 b1 is given by, so x minus x1 divided by x2 is 3 minus of 5, x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1, then y minus y1 is 1 here and y2 is a b, so b minus of 1 is equal to, then z minus z1 is a divided by z2 is 1 here, 1 minus a here. Okay, so this is the equation of the line passing through these 2 points here. Next, this line passing through this point here. This part lies on YZ plane here. Okay, because you know on YZ plane x coordinate 0. On YZ plane x coordinate 0, therefore part lies on the YZ plane here. This line passing through that point here. So this line passing through the point 0, so 17 by 2 minus of 13 divided by 12. Therefore, put x equal to 0. So 0 minus 5 divided by 3 minus 5 is minus of 12 is equal to. Then y is 17 upon 12. So 17 divided by 2 minus of 1 divided by, so b minus 1 here. So it is a b minus of 1, that is equal to, that is a minus 13 by 2, so use here. So minus of 13 upon 2 minus a divided by 1 minus a. Then minus 5 upon minus 10, minus upon minus plus here. Therefore 5 divided by 12. 5 divided by 2 is equal to 17 upon 2, here 2 LCM here. 2 is LCM, 2 ones are 2. So 17 minus 2 divided by b minus 1 here, as well as minus 5 upon minus 2 becomes plus 5 by 12. 5 upon 2 is equal to, again 2 LCM here. So 2 is the LCM, minus of 13 and 2 into a becomes 2a, minus 2a divided by 1 minus a. Then take this to the denominator here. So 5 divided by 2 here, that is equal to 17 minus 2 becomes 15 divided by 2 into b minus of 1 here. Then again 5 upon 2 here. So 5 divided by 2 is equal to, take 2 to denominator here, minus 13 minus 2a divided by 2 into 1 minus a. Then this 2 cancels here. Similarly, this 2 and this 2 get cancels. Take b minus 1 this side here, or you can cancel here. 5 ones are 5 threes are cancels here. B minus 1 into 1 is b minus 1 here is equal to 3. Is equal to 3 here. Then take minus 1 right hand side here. So 3 plus 1 cancel, b is equal to 4 here. So similarly, in this case here, take 1 minus a this side here. So 5 into 1 minus a is equal to minus 13 minus 2a, minus 13 minus of 2a. 5 ones are 5, minus 5a is equal to minus 13 minus 2a. Take 13 this side here. So 5 plus 13. Take minus 5 that side here. So 5a minus 2a. 13 plus 5 becomes 18 is equal to 5 minus 2 becomes 3. Therefore the value of a is 6 here. So a is equal to 6 and b is equal to 4. So D is the answer here. D answer.